She's cringy.
Hello, home shoutout. I have my mother with me. I'm going to be making slime for the very first time. So let's start. So this one is first a just butter with glitter.
So what makes it buttery?
Clay, like Daiso, Model Magic,
Feels
all that.
drippy.
It's basically a white slime with some like pixie dust sugar.
Stickier than the butter slime.
Pixie dust sugar.
Okay.
It's mixed into it.
I like the way that feels. So yeah, it's like it feels lighter. It does feel a little stickier than the butter.
Next one is like a jiggly crunchy. Now the balls do fall out of this one, so it will kind of stick to you.
Wow, it's like wet.
That's what jiggly is.
Kind of feels cool with the little crunchy balls.
If you don't want the balls to fall out, you mix it in with the glue before you activate it. Okay, now this one is a really good Daiso clay slime. Daiso.
Daiso.
It's a Daiso clay mix in, and I mixed like these, I can't remember which colors, but it's like a gray and a green, and it made this really pretty green. So let's see what my mom thinks about it.
Okay, I definitely like the fluffy slime. I want to make fluffy slime. Teach me.
Make fluffy slime. Let's go.
Add glue first.
Oh, man.
Glue. Should I make giant fluffy slime? I've added the glue, adding the dye.
I'm not supposed to talk. Sorry. Here's some tools to me. Because my mom has been behind the camera for when I make slime. Yeah, she's always just played with it at the end once I make it.
And it's strawberry pink. Oh, maybe we should put a scent. Do you have a scent? I'd like a scent.
I have watermelon. I just have this big container of stuff you can put in slime. I have glitter. I have like icy beads. That's spilled. I have like this paper.
How's always making messes?
And then I have all these scents. So this one is a lemon. Okay, so she found her scent. She's going to be doing melon.
I'm going to add the shaving cream.
Okay, not anything bad yet happening.
And a lot of shaving cream because I want it to be really fluffy.
Okay. It's literally like not even pink anymore.
I know. It still smells good. It still smells like melon. This is just really fun. Borax water. There's a
hot water and then a little bit of borax and then dissolve the
like
borax.
a spoonful of borax.
And then into this clear ketchup bottle. And now it. Ooh, that's a lot. You gotta put only a little at a time, Mom.
It's already starting to form. It's just cool how it starts already sticking together with just a little bit of borax on it.
A little bit? You added half the bottle.
No, I added a fourth of the bottle.
Okay.
Not too much.
Where am I?
Okay, I'm gonna touch it now on my hand. Oh, it's so messy.
Yeah, it's getting out everywhere. Shaving cream's a little difficult this time.
Oh my gosh.
It's
sticking to my hand. She's cringing. Like literally cringing. Tell me what I'm doing that's making you. Okay, so I'm touching it wrong.
It's just how she does everything. Oh gosh. I don't know. It's just how she did it.
But it's holding together. You want to give it a squeeze?
What the heck, Mom? You added way too much borax. Now I'm going to make the slime.
But it's still fun. It's still.
See what happens. See the different. I'm sure everyone watching this video is cringing.
What are you gonna do that's different?
Everything.
It's so fun to hold though. I mean, it still feels soft and squishy.
I'm going to do it the right way.
So my first problem was I added way too much shaving cream.
It's too fluffy, mother.
Hers is more liquidy than mine was because you didn't add as much shaving cream.
Yeah. Now borax time. This is the time that she really needs to pay attention.
So she's just doing small squirts of borax, mixing it in. I just went.
You have to get until it like doesn't stick to the popsicle stick anymore. And the popsicle stick sticks to the slime. See, mine's stretchy. It doesn't break like yours. This is yours.
Mine breaks, yes.
And this is mine.
Here's mine. Mine rips.
And this is mine. Mine's perfect.
It does take skill to make slime. Hope's made 1,000,000 slimes.
Speaking of slime, I have a slime shop.
She does. She has a slime shop.
So you should definitely go check that out. I'm going to be
Wow.
selling fluffy, not like my mother's, like mine. Fluffy.
She won't be selling mom slime because mom makes.
Unless you want me to.
If someone wants to buy my bad fluffy
sleep on
slime,
it.
the whole thing of it, we'll put mom's fluffy slime on her store.
Now time for the shout out.
It's really amazing, guys. And that.
Ooh, ASMR. That's amazing ASMR.
You are so energetic and happy. You inspired me. You put so much effort into your videos, and that is what makes you a great YouTuber.
Ooh, let's do that one. And the shout out goes to Hope's Vlog fan. Hashtag Squishies. Hi Hope, I'm your biggest fan. You really inspire me a lot. You are my favorite YouTuber. I know that someday you will have more than 1,000,000 subscribers for sure. May I have a shout out, please? Hope's Vlog fans, you just won a Squishy. You can go on my Instagram and DM me.
Yeah.
And that's how we will get your address and send you a Squishy. If you want a shout out next week's video, comment down below. Hashtag MomSlime. And yeah, slide to that subscribe button. And I'll see you next week. Bye guys.